Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the GuardHouse Camera, a tiny gadget that's been popping up all over the internet, claiming to be the ultimate mini security camera for your home, car, or even your pets. It promises easy plug-and-play setup, 1080p HD video, night vision, and a waterproof drill-free design that fits anywhere. Sounds like the perfect all-in-one security solution, right? But is it really as good as it looks? Or just another overhyped gadget? Let's find out. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. But when you start digging into the details, some serious red flags begin to show. The first issue is with its connectivity claims. The product is labeled as a 4G wireless Wi-Fi camera, but that's a confusing term. Does it use Wi-Fi or 4G cellular data? When you scroll down to the product information section, it lists connectivity protocol, Bluetooth and controller type, Apple HomeKit. That's completely inconsistent with what you'd expect from a Wi-Fi or 4G security camera. This mismatch suggests poor documentation or misleading marketing, and that's never a good sign. Another issue is the lack of technical specifications. For a product that boasts 1080p HD video, night vision, and outdoor use, there's no mention of key specs like field of view, bitrate, storage options, or even battery life. Claims like equipped with infrared technology for full monitoring in complete darkness sound impressive, but without real data or sample footage, it's impossible to verify. Then there's the issue of durability. The camera's size, barely 2 inches wide, raises serious questions about its weather resistance and battery capacity. The listing says it's waterproof, but it doesn't mention any IP rating, which is the standard way to measure how well a device resists water and dust. Without that, waterproof might just be a marketing buzzword. Customer support is another weak spot. There's no clear company address, phone number, or after-sales contact. The Amazon page links to warranty information, but it leads nowhere specific. For a device meant to protect your home and privacy, that lack of transparency is concerning. Security and privacy are major concerns too. With vague connectivity details and no mention of encryption, you have no way of knowing how your footage is stored or who might have access to it. Cheap cameras like this often skip firmware updates or proper encryption, making them potential security risks rather than solutions. The marketing also feels inconsistent. The product is advertised for both indoor and outdoor use, yet under product information, it's listed as indoor usage. It's promoted as weatherproof, but gives no proof of durability. That kind of contradiction makes the claims hard to trust. And when it comes to reviews, most of the ones on the listing look suspicious. Dozens of 5-star ratings appear within days of each other, many using similar language. There are almost no verified or independent reviews showing real footage or long-term use. Some users who did purchase it complained that the app doesn't connect properly, requires unnecessary phone permissions, and even triggers random ads. Others said the camera sends motion alerts, but doesn't actually record video. To make things more suspicious, the brand's website was only registered in October 2025. It has no verified company information, no physical address, and uses a generic template seen on multiple short-lived online stores that vanish after a few months. So is the GuardHouse Camera legit? Based on what we've seen, probably not. The confusing specs, vague promises, fake-looking reviews, and lack of transparency all raise serious concerns. If you're looking for a reliable security camera, go with trusted brands like Blink, Wise, or TP-Link that offer verified apps, customer support, and proven performance. At the end of the day, protecting your home is about trust and reliability. Don't fall for flashy ads or big promises without proof. Always research the brand, read verified reviews, and think twice before buying from new or unknown websites.